This is a quick video to show you how you can submit your Excel file into the Dropbox. So you see that we've come in here to the task, and if I scroll down right to the bottom, I click on the upload button. I can now drag a file in here or click to upload. I need to find my Excel file, and they're always going to have an XLS or an XLSX as their extension. We can equally look for that little green and white X icon there that will show it is Microsoft Excel. Once I've selected the file that I want, I can then come down over here and press open, and you can see that green bar appears. And once it's fully uploaded to Canvas, I get the tick, and then I just need to submit the assignment. And when I press submit, I get beautiful confetti, which means the task has been submitted. Good luck.